Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be unboxing and showing you guys what exactly comes with the Tommee Tippee single electric breast pump. Please watch the full video. I'll be throwing in some tips on how I maximize my milk flow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on that notification bell to let you know of my new videos. So let's get into the nitty-gritties of things. So I've been using the Tommee Tippee Electric pump just over 2 years. I just love how comfortable, lightweight and portable it is. So for me it's not loud, so the kids won't be woken up by it, so surely a big plus for me. Please take note, before handling the pump, please wash your hands with soap and water and dry thoroughly. So here's a manual for the electric pump. All that you need to know you'll find in there. This is a USB charger used to charge the power unit and has to be plugged to a power source. For now, I'll be showing you the different parts of the pump in no particular order, as I'll be assembling it shortly, so keep watching. This is the body that connects the horn and cup, which I'll show you shortly, to your bottle. Diaphragm cap, which seals to the diaphragm. Lid allows the connection of the air tube to the pump and close the pump headset. This is the cup. It's rounded and the silicone is soft, which makes it comfortable against the breast. It gently massages to stimulate the milk flow and it fits to the horn. Diaphragm keeps the wet and the dry side separate. Duckbill valve. It's a one-way valve letting the milk flow only into the bottle. This is the horn that supports the cup while using the pump. Air tube. It attaches the breast pump to the power unit. Please note it shouldn't be washed or put in the microwave. Bottle. Tip. I always drink 2 glasses of water before pumping and another 2 glasses after. We need to always hydrate. Power unit. It's a portable motor that powers the massage and the suction features of the breast pump. It has a power source always used to switch between massage and expression. Increase and decrease suction power. LED display. It has an air tube connector, USB socket, and a carry loop. Now let's assemble. Take the body of the pump. Insert the diaphragm. Seal the diaphragm with a diaphragm cap. Close by twisting. Insert the duckbill valve. Now, take the horn and the cup and push the cup through the horn, making sure that the round edges are nicely fitting in properly. And my final tip to us mummies, we need to eat so our bodies can produce enough milk for our babies. On our next videos, I'll be covering which food to eat while eating enough for our bodies to feed our babies. Subscribe and click on that notification bell for our next videos. It needs to look like. Then we insert the two parts together. Take the air tube, insert on the pump and the power unit. Now we're going to twist the bottle at the bottom of the pump. It's that simple. That's why I'm obsessed with this breast pump. I mean, it's easy to use, it's easy to assemble. So for me, it was just a bargain to get to use this. So thank you for watching. Bye.